Hey guys, good morning. It's Saturday and as what you have noticed, katatapos ko lang din guys mag-prepare. So, outfit check muna tayo guys. So, samahan niyo ako guys na pumunta na sa work. So, yan guys, nandito na ako sa work and as what you have noticed, meron tayong pancake and iced coffee. So, nilibre tayo today ni ate. So, thank you Ate Jeanette. So, anyway guys, before anything else guys, mag-breakfast muna tayo. So, kakain muna kami ng pancake and iced coffee. So, actually binili to ni Ate Jeanette sa kaibigan niya na nagbebenta doon sa Payahan, si Ate Ann. And sobrang ganda talaga ng packaging nila. And so far, sobrang sarap naman ng pancake and sobrang sarap din ng iced coffee nila. So, sobrang sulit na din. So, anyway guys, dyan lang muna kayo and mag-breakfast lang muna ako. So, yan guys, while eating, mag-work na muna ako. And for today's agenda guys, we will just have to encode all the sales. And after that, we will also check the passbook kung pumasok ba lahat ng sales as usual. And actually guys, hindi naman tayo loaded today kasi nga Monday pa yung delivery natin. So, obviously, hindi tayo hassle today, charot. So, anyway guys, dyan lang muna kayo and mag-work lang muna ako. So, yun guys, still working. And actually, as what you have noticed, hindi ako nakapag-vlog kahapon kasi nga nagkaroon ng emergency sa bahay. So, kailangan kong umabsent. So, hindi ako nakapag-vlog and then medyo busy din kami kahapon. So, anyway guys, dyan lang muna kayo and tapusin ko lang din muna yung work ko. So, anyway guys, patapos na din ako sa work and actually wala naman masyadong ganap today kasi after work, diretso lang din kami sa bahay. So, yan, that's all for today's video guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Bye guys!